to, huh? Yeah, man. Shout out to nigga Cole for this one. Yeah. This right here is not a preview of what the mixtape is gonna bring you, and nothing like that. This is just some variety. These niggas keep trying me, so menace society is something like that. I need to travel more. I should've been that nigga Macklemore. The shit is not a game, this some shit I got a passion for. These niggas wonder why the fuck this nigga battle for. It's all in goodwill, there's no telling what I'll have in store. This beat was yelling, use me. And J. Cole, please don't sue me. I'm just another MC praying for wealth and dire need. And some beats is hard to make of myself. I know these niggas got they sights set on taking my belt. A nigga got no insurance, so I'm praying for help. Still got a flip phone, I need to buy another celly. If you bitches wanna kick it, me and Tommy got the telly, yeah. Just hit me on his prepaid phone. My nigga went back to jail soon as he came home. Real niggas hear my shit and ass he ain't on. I appreciate the love, it's good feedback, homes. Yeah, nigga, ain't nobody messing with me. My nigga Dub, let a nigga get the session. And shout out to all my niggas that's investing in me. It's all good, we gon' do this shit professionally. I need a contract, I can never get this time back. Grew up in the hood thinking God I survived that. Why's that? I done seen a lot of guys snap, die or go to prison. Shit, a nigga getting sidetracked. Pretty soon I be bodying D-Eagle. Nigga, I ain't stressing about nothing, the weed legal. Try and keep away from them niggas that seek evil. This that heroin flow, hit the point with each needle, yeah. A silly nigga with a mean swag. Got a mind like no other, so no wonder bitches keep tabs. Move fast like Muhammad on a speed bag. If you niggas trying to get a verse, I'ma need cash. I've been doing this for years, I'm a Steve Nash. Zooted cause my nigga D-Thrash got some mean hash. This is JUS the cashier. You soft niggas need a pep smear. I killed this shit this past year. Yeah, it's in my zone, man. This is what it came to. You know what I'm saying? I must have went and talked to this nigga. Thought I was cool with the nigga. I said, hey yo, man, how much is gonna cost me to get a beat off you, my nigga? This nigga said it's gonna cost $1,200. I looked at that nigga like he was crazy, right? It's JUS. Welcome home, my nigga Black Sam. Welcome home to Soup. And a fist for all my niggas that ain't here no more.